1, 2.
Now I'm going to put some vinegar with the vinegar. And no more vinegar.
Why dosa?
Or I'm going to put with some soap and see what happens. Soap. Soap. And some baking soda. And let's see. Oh, and we need one more thing. Stop. Vinegar. Mommy, can you put some more vinegar? It doesn't burn. Yeah! It doesn't make it hot. How do we mix it together?
I'm not ready.
Got it.
I don't need more baking soda.
And then I need more baking soda.
I need more. I need some. I need more.
Mommy, can I use some soap? I'm gonna use some soap anyway. And now we're pouring soap. And that's enough. And now we're gonna put some baking soda.
I need some salt too.
Okay. And now I'm helping my butter. This one. And got it. Baking soda. Now I have something to do. Now we're going to light up this. Pour it on there. It looks cool. You see it? It looks very cool. And now it just turned off. Now we're gonna use some more and put it in.
Okay, can I have more? Need more.
And more, and more, and more. Whoa! Well, that slipped out on my hand. Strange. Let's try it on Percy. Percy? I know why. Look how dark they are. It's like spooky Robin Percy. Spooky Robin Percy. Look. He's spooking. And this looks like alien goo. Oh, and also, I'm gonna make toys of me, and I'll send some to anybody who wants to join my toy review. and make sure you have a good time. And soon I'll make toys, but I didn't start making toys. So I'm going to start tomorrow. And now I'm going to take a little bit of baking soda and Thomas, put it back. And then put it in. This is a chemical box. It's a red. Quick in. Two, one, go! What? It didn't explode! What happened? And I have one more experiment, but I'm thinking we don't have to do it, but we should do it. I'm bringing a giant egg and opening it.
Okay, maybe we should save the egg for another experiment.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us and bye. Remember, my name is Sergino and type in sergino.com if you want to search my research. But it's not done and I didn't even start it. So bye.
Cannon, you saying bye?
No.